Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create email templates in Outlook. Alright, let's begin. This process helps you create reusable templates for recurring emails, like weekly updates, announcements, or client messages, so you don't have to retype everything every time. First, open your Outlook inbox. On the top left side, click the New Mail dropdown and select Email to start composing a new message. Now, add a recipient email address in the To field, type a subject line, and then move down to the email body to enter your message. For example, you can write something like, "Hey there team, hope you're doing well. This is what our week looks like." And leave some space to fill in details later. Then end it with a sign-off like, "Have a great one, cheers." This email will act as your base template for repeated use. Once you've written it, you'll want to save it as a reusable template. On the toolbar at the top, click the 3 dots or More Options icon. From the dropdown, select My Templates. A sidebar will appear showing a few default Outlook templates. To add your own, click the plus icon labeled Add a Template. Give your template a title, ideally the same as your email subject, and paste your email body content into the text box. After that, click Save. Your new email template is now stored in Outlook. To use it later, simply open a new mail. Then click the 3 dots. After that, select Templates and select your saved template. For example, Weekly Meeting. The email body will automatically fill with your saved content, ready to send or modify. You can create as many templates as you need to streamline your workflow and reduce repetitive typing. This feature is especially useful for teams, reports, or routine communication. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create email templates in Outlook. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.